sunny day, absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance. Underway. Torres, Murillo, and they've been caught out here. And a header! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Johnson. Moore. Stewart. Forward it goes. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. It's a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Morrison. And it's Antonio. Out towards the flank. The less said about that pass, the better. Murillo. Cooper. Torres. Godoy plays it forward. Pinnock.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what are they trying to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
And here's Johnson. Hoists it forward. Pinnock battles to win it back. It's Antonio. Antonio tries to get it forward quickly. Oh, that's nice. Knocks it away. So who's he picking out? Puts in a cross. Cleared away. Played out to the right. Time to deliver. He's in! He's had a go! It's in! There is the breakthrough!
What a great finish, but how about the touch? It just allowed him to put the ball exactly where he wanted it, and the rest became a formality.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Stewart. Pinnock attempts a clearance. And the counter is on. Walker. Stewart. Davis. And it's played forward. And he's made sure that that won't get through. Or Stewart. Morrison. Over to the left. Oh, that's neat. And here's Johnson. And he just whacks it away. A real chance to break. Tries to get it forward quickly. Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. He gets past his man. Oh, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Antonio. And the weighted pass. Pinnock with the clearance. Oh, that is asking for trouble. That's offside. Yes, it is. Rio. A searching ball out wide. Oh, really good feet. Looking for a decent ball in. Panama are in need of a lift as we head up towards the break. And here's Torres. Whistle's gone, that's a foul.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
The ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances.
Jamaica, they've got away with it this time, but I think if they carry on giving away free kicks in positions like that, I think they'll be made to pay. They've got to be very careful, just a little more discipline is called for.
Torres. Murillo. Cooper. Davis. And here's Torres. And the finish! Tries to get it clear. Lawrence. He's there. He's had a shot! Turns and goes back. Here's the ball in. We hit half-time, so there you have it. A close fought half of football. It still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal.
And we're underway again. Panama need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Beautifully done. Whipped in. Great leap! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Antonio needed to come up with a better ball.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Timely intervention. Now the counter. Lawrence. He's got away. Looks to drop one in. Nice touch. Torres gets it back. Andrade. Davis plays it over to the other flank. Murillo. Fleming. Oh, they can break here. Ball through needs to be good here.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
And he's there to clear it. Tries a shot! It's bounced out! No, he didn't quite meet it right. Morrison. Lawrence goes looking. Cooper. Forward it goes. Out to the right. And now they can launch a counter. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
He's picked him out. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Lawrence. And it's Antonio. Oh, good ball. Johnson with a shot! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Oh, look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked the harder thing to do.
Checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. All the way back, and they start again. Pinnock plays it forward. And it's got through. Up to meet it! Oh, that is lovely footwork. It's gone out for a throw-in. Johnson with the shot! It's off target and by quite a way.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Antonio.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Godoy gets it out to the wing. Panama get it back again. Played back in. Here it comes.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Well played, he saw that coming. Torres drives it towards the front. Well positioned to make that interception. Pinnock drives it forward. Torres cuts it out. Godoy hoists it forward.
Panama need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
Aimed in towards the centre.
Jamaica certainly don't need to overcommit now. Their priority lies further back.
Moore. Stewart. Palmer drives it forward. Davis. We are throw-in.
They're making life really hard for themselves. The ball needs to be in the mixer, not there.
So that's it. It is all over. Always in the balance, and in the end, one goal was enough. They are narrowly beaten.